Hey guys, it's Aidette. So before I start my massive try on clothing haul, I have to put you guys onto this bomb app that I have been using for years. And if you're an OG follower, you guys would know that I have been using this app consistently, religiously. And the app is called Poshmark. And if you guys want to download it, make sure to click in the link down below to download it. And also in the comments, do not forget to share with me your Poshmark closet name so I can maybe go over there and buy something from you guys. And if you guys don't know what Poshmark is, basically what it is a place where you can sell your used clothing and make money off of that, which is super simple, super easy. Eventually somebody will come along, like your post, buy it, and after that all you do is pack your item, print your label, and take it to the post office and you're good to go. They will accept it and then your earnings will come in and you can order a check or you can get it deposited straight into your checking account. Also, since the new year is coming around, everybody really wants to have like a new fresh start with their wardrobe and everything, so that's a very good way to start off your closet. Well, something that I'm going to be selling on my Poshmark is this fuzzy pink backpack, and if you guys want to go shop it, it will be right here at Aidette with 3 E's. And all of the items that I sell on my Poshmark, I make sure that they're still in good condition. So that's basically what Poshmark is. It's one of my favorite apps for the longest, and don't forget to download it. Link down below. What's up guys? So today I'm going to be doing another try on haul. I love doing these. You guys really seem to like it. So I'm first going to be starting off with tons of companies. I got some things from Tiger Mist, I got some things from I Saw It First, and a ton of things from OTD Fashion. Let's get started. So I first got this white top. It's frilly, super cute, and it's super short, but that's why you have to wear some high-waisted pants or something. I'm currently wearing some Calvin sweats because your girl likes to be comfy. Okay, so I was totally convinced that it was the same top, but it's not. It's kind of like the same concept. It's frilly, but it has like this ruching here. Then this is like a very Rihanna inspired top, the one from Wild Thoughts. Then I got this yellow dress. It is something very different from what I would usually wear. So this two-piece is very different, black and white plaid, but the top looks like this, and then the bottoms, they just pretty much snatch and they look really nice, but they're super different. So this is probably my favorite look. Holy fudge. So this is the top. When I first saw this, I was like, okay, I don't even know jogger sweats. They're super comfy, but I love orange. You guys are not ready for this one. When I saw it, I kind of fainted. But Joanne the scammer, who, I'm kidding, I love Joanne. I got myself a puffer jacket. I've never had one of these. This is gonna prepare me for the colds. But it's this maroon puffer jacket. I got this in a medium too. And then I have this cute little turtleneck scrunchie, and of course, you know, your girl had to get some accessories, so I got this little fuzzy maroon purse. And lastly, from I Saw It First, when I saw these boots, I was like, snatched. And I've been wanting some booties in this shade for a long time. Up next, from OOTD, which is one of my faves, as you guys may know because I'm always posting them on my Instagram. First little top that I got is so cute. I got this in a medium because I wanted it for this specific reason, to wear it like this. Then here we have this black off the shoulder knit top, and I also paired it. An ornament literally just flew off my tree. I'm not even kidding. That didn't fall off by itself, guys. Then here I have this white, fluffy, very cozy off-the-shoulder top. Then I got these military pants. They completely snatch up here, and these are them in the black color. I pretty much got the same top from the white one, but in the pink color. These are just some basic ripped jeans, and they have some rips here on the knee, and they fit really nice. So I have this super flowy top. This one's a long sleeve v-neck, and it has this scrunch part at the bottom, so if you wanted to make it a little bit shorter, more of like a crop top or a tighter shirt, you can just scrunch it up. And you already know that I needed to pick up one of my basic crop tops from OOTD. I got this one in a nude shade, and then I also got this jean jacket. Like, look at how good this looks together. I actually find it super rare to find jeans that don't have rips nowadays, because I don't know why. Then here I have the second pair of mom jeans, and these have rips, as you can see. These are a little bit different. These are also a little bit of a darker wash. Then I got this long nude and side slit sweater. Then I got this olive sweater in a nude shade too, because look at this detailing here. So this is what the cream one looks like. I think it looks a little bit better on me. Then I got this gray top. It's very fitted, and it's just a normal collar top. I haven't seen anything like this recently. So then I got this super cool dress for like New Year's or something where you can wear something super sparkly. It's color changing with that color changing sequence. Then I got this red dress from OOTD, and I really liked how I had that button detailing down the entire dress. And these last two pieces that I'm going to show you guys for the rest of this haul are from Shop Gauges. You guys can find them at the La Habra location of OOTD Fash. So these are like a navy blue, cobalt blue-ish, and then they have this white stripe on the side, and then these are just the black ones. Alright guys, so that is the end of my try on haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, and also do not forget to click down below in the description box so you guys can get the Poshmark app and we can all shop together. So that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in my next video.